Hi, and welcome to MyMSConEd.com, presented by Georgia Institute of EMS. Hi, my name's Tom Camplain. I want to show you how to take a live class with us. So there's a couple different ways to do the live class. One, you can actually come and attend in person, or you can attend online from a computer. If you do that, you have to be online the same time we are presenting the class. So that's why it's different from a distributive or / purely online class. So the live classes, you have to be online the same time we are presenting the class. So how do I sign up for those? Well, good question, and I'm going to show you how to do that. One of the easiest ways to do that is to log in and navigate to your member page. Once you get to your member page, you can come here to your course calendar. So let's look at the EMT one. Now I have the EMT, Advanced EMT, and Paramedic calendars here. And you can click on your respective level. Now, if you're an intermediate looking for some classes, you can choose the AEMT ones if you want to. But however, right now, I'm just going to show you the EMT live class calendars because it all work the same. So if you can see, we just have a Google calendar here with the days on it. And what you will do, didn't mean to do that. I hit the back button. Is you will choose your day. So if you see here, February 4th is oxygenation. And if you click on oxygenation, you'll get some more info here. So here, this is telling you that this course is part of the national component. And we would like for you to click this link to register. Now, we need you to register so we know to either expect you in class or online. So just click on this link and it will take you to where you can register and where you can see your course. Now, this link takes you to your online course room. As long as you're logged in, you have to make sure you're logged in for this to work. So that we have a calendar that will come up, and if you see, there's the 4th of February. But if I click this arrow here, it will take me to March, and it's also being presented on the 4th of March. So if I wanted to choose the 4th of March, I can click on that day, and the times that class is going to be presented will pop up, and all I need to do is click on the time, and then click Continue. And then our next screen will come up and it will say, hey, I'm taking oxygenation. I've got Charles as my instructor. It starts at 1 o'clock. The date is March 4th and the location's Georgia Institute of EMS. That is where the live class will happen. And I'll show you how to get to the online if you're going to watch it and participate online. So here, my name's already filled in because I'm logged in. Got my phone number here. And the only thing I need to do is tell you how I'm going to be attending. So online or in class. So if I'm going to take it in class, I just click in class and click confirm. Or I can click online and click confirm. And then we'll go to the next screen. So the next screen is going to look like, hey, I'm buying something. But look, it says 0 here. That's $0. So don't worry about that part. Just click proceed to checkout. It's going to have your details here, but it's also going to say $0. But it tells you it's a live appointment here for oxygenation, March 4th at 1 p.m. Click place order. You're not buying anything. You're just reserving your spot. See, it says $0 there. Place the order. And once you do that, it'll bring you to this page that says thank you for signing up for one of your live CEU courses. You should also get an email as well saying that you have signed up. It tells you here you should get 2 emails confirming your appointments. So how do you take the live class online? So we will utilize a system called Join Me, which will be in your course room. And if you go to the My Courses link, you can get to your course room. If you're going to take the live class in person, you'll just need to arrive at our school. And here's a Google map of where it is. You can click on the directions link here to get directions. Just know if you're using your GPS, make sure you put the northwest in there so that you will get to the right place. If you don't, it'll take you somewhere on the other end of Usher Street and you'll be lost. Just make sure you arrive on time for your class and you can sit down and take your class like a traditional one. But let's say, hey, I'm at home. I'm going to watch this on my computer. So if that's the case, you can click here on My Courses here, or you can click My Courses up here. Either one will work. So here we are, and I want to go to my national component here because that's the class I was doing. My live class. And I was doing oxygenation, so I can click on oxygenation. And if I scroll down, now the calendar is going to come back up. I can just ignore that, but if I scroll down a little bit, I'll see here live course access. And I can click on that live course access, and it will take me to the Join Me course. And you'll see Charles. You'll just put your name in here and click Join, and then you're in the course. Now, it's best to use Chrome if you can, because if you use Chrome, you will not have to download any additional plugins. But if you're using a different browser, you may be prompted to download some plugins. Another way for you to get to the same place is if you're on the member page. And let's go back to the calendar. And then there's oxygenation. Then there's a link down here as well. So I can click on that and it will bring me to that same link. And all you do is log in, put your name, join the course, log in. Make sure if you want to talk, make sure you have your microphone so you can speak. You can use your camera if you want to be, where people can see you, or you can disable that if you want to as well. And just participate in the course. Now, you need to participate. If it's in that whole course, you need to. The instructor will be asking you questions. We will see that you're logged in. We'll be taking roll, and we'll see that. We have to be able to document that you were there for you to get credit. Well, I hope this was helpful. Hope this helps you along the way. If you have any questions, please feel free to send us an email at info@gaims.com, or you can call us at 678-561-2368, and we'll be glad to help you. And we'll see you in class. Thank you.